Paw Patrol is sports cars. Let's go! Rocky has a sports car. Resourceful. Wow! Rubble has a sports car. Unstoppable. Boom! Marshall has a sports car. Blazing. Whoosh! Sweetie has a sports car. Cunning. Slick. Liberty has a sports car. Daring. Vroom! Farmer Yumi has a sports car. Wise. Neat. Sky has a sports car. Soaring. Zoom. Captain Turbot has a sports car. Knowledgeable. Ahoy! Zuma has a sports car. Swift. Splash! Farmer Al has a sports car. Hardworking. Grit. Arby has a sports car. Sneaky. Shh. Carlos has a sports car. Adventurous. Explore. Tracker has a sports car. Keen. Sharp. Francois Turbo has a sports car. Curious. Mayor Humdinger has a sports car. Scheming. Aha! Callie has a sports car. Playful. Yay! Katie has a sports car. Caring. Aw! Everest has a sports car. Resilient. Brrr! Ryder has a sports car. Fearless. Go! Chase has a sports car. Terrifying. Roar! Robo-Dog has a sports car. Mechanical. Beep! Alex Porter has a sports car. Adventurous. Let's go! Princess of Barkingburg has a sports car. Majestic. Wow! Mayor Goodway has a sports car. Frantic. Eep. Mr. Porter has a sports car. Generous. Yum! Jake has a sports car. Daring. Whoa! Danny Daring X has a sports car. Extreme. X-Trim. Ace Sorensen has a sports car. Fearless. Fly. Thanks for watching Empire AI Animation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next adventure!